The Bombay High Court had denied businessman Raj Kundra's bail plea on July 27, 2021 and had sent him into 14-day judicial custody. On the flip side of the case, many actresses and models like Sagarika Shona and Puneet Kaur are in favor of Raj Kundra's arrest. Another actress that is leading all the headlines with her shocking claims against Raj is Sherlyn Chopra. Sherlyn Chopra reportedly appeared before the property cell of the Mumbai Crime Branch to record her statement in connection with the ongoing pornography case. In April 2021, Sherlyn had filed an FIR against Raj Kundra for assault and had shared information about his company Arms Prime that had eventually led to his arrest. Recalling the incident, Sherlyn stated in her complaint that after a heated argument with Raj on text messages, he had shown up at her house without informing her. After which Raj reportedly started being intimate with Sherlyn and told her that his relationship with his wife Shilpa Shetty is complicated. According to Sherlyn Chopra's complaint, Raj reportedly stated that he is stressed most of the time at his home because of his differences with his wife Shilpa Shetty. However, after some failed attempts, Sherlyn managed to push him away from her and rushed straight into the washroom. There is no doubt that Raj and his wife Shilpa Shetty are going through one of the worst phases of their lives at the moment. The couple is also surrounded by so many alleged accusations and complaints. Raj Kundra had reportedly earned 1.17 crore rupees in 5 months via hotshots. Shilpa Shetty seemed very upset while her statement was being recorded, which had lasted for about 2 hours. Shilpa had argued with Raj Kundra and had broken down in front of the officials during the same. Shilpa had also revealed that she didn't know anything about the app and what happened in her husband's firm and only got to know from the newspapers.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, पिछले कुछ दिनों से कई पत्रकार और मीडिया रिपोर्टर्स मुझे कॉल कर रहे हैं, ईमेल कर रहे हैं, व्हाट्सएप कर रहे हैं ये जानने के लिए कि इस विषय पर मेरा क्या कहना है। आप सबको मैं बता दूं कि महाराष्ट्र साइबर सेल की इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग टीम को जिस व्यक्ति ने सबसे पहले अपना बयान दिया वो कोई और नहीं बल्कि मैं हूं। महाराष्ट्र साइबर सेल की इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग टीम को जिस व्यक्ति ने सबसे पहले आर्म्स प्राइम के बारे में जानकारी दी वो कोई और नहीं बल्कि मैं हूं। कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि जब मुझे समन्स नोटिस भेजी गई थी महाराष्ट्र साइबर सेल के द्वारा, औरों की तरह जो कहते हैं माई हार्ट गोज आउट टू शिल्पा एंड हर किड्स, मैं अंडरग्राउंड नहीं हुई, लापता नहीं हुई, गायब नहीं हुई, ये शहर या देश छोड़कर भागने की कोशिश नहीं की। मार्च 2021 में साइबर सेल के ऑफिस पर जाकर मैंने अपना निष्पक्ष बयान दिया। दोस्तों, इस विषय पर कहने को बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन क्योंकि ये मैटर सब जुडिस है इसलिए इस पर टिप्पणी करना मेरे लिए अनुचित होगा। इसलिए मैं आप सब से अनुरोध करती हूं, खासतौर पर पत्रकारों से और मीडिया के रिपोर्टरों से ये निवेदन करती हूं कि वो महाराष्ट्र साइबर सेल से संपर्क करें और अपने प्रश्न उनके सामने रखें और हो सके तो उनसे मेरे बयान के कुछ एक्सर्ट्स शेयर करने की विनती करें।